Whether you have a fancy brand logo on these or not, they're serving the same purpose. What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2. We're going to be doing the bag guards of the Flatout bars. This is the inexpensive version instead of going out and dropping $1,000 on essentially the same thing without the name branded on it. If you didn't see part 1, go check it out. It's up here in the top right. We installed the front crash bar, and if you want to check them out for yourself, you can go down in the description. We'll have those links for you in the description. But yeah, today we're just doing the back end for the bags, and it should be pretty straightforward. But yeah, once again, these things are packaged unbelievably well. Everything's protected, styrofoam, corner blocks to protect our flanges. So we'll get these unwrapped, check them out. The finish, if it's from the same company that did the Flatout bar on the front. And if the finish is anything like that one, it's gonna be indistinguishable from the big name brands as far as the finish and stuff goes. And just looking at this, the welds look really good. They definitely didn't cheap out. I saw a couple guys talking in one of the Facebook groups, the Road Glide Facebook groups, about how these cheaper bars, don't ask me, I don't think there's really a difference. But somehow with the non-branded version, they're cutting into the rear brake lines on the bikes. And I don't see how that's possible because these literally mount to the exact same place. It's the same damn design. So not sure how, if I were to have a branded logo on here, how that would prevent cutting into the brake line, or you know what I mean, just it don't add up, it don't make sense. But yeah, we're gonna get these installed. Once these are installed, I'm gonna be relocating my reservoirs for the Olean suspension. We got the SBC relocation reservoir mounts that are gonna mount directly onto these. So we'll have our resis sitting in front of the bags. You're gonna wanna obviously take your bags off because you need to get to the bottom support bracket. And then we'll get to cutting the 4 inches off and get these bolted on, and that's it. So let's do the damn thing. Let's get it done. This should be fun, should be easy. Step by step, let's go. All right, cutting in real quick to the video. Just a heads up, if you do not have the bolts, if you don't already have bag guards installed on your bike, you're going to need to order 2 bolts that go right here on the mid frame of your bike under the seat. And it's literally just sits right above your ABS area. Here's the size you need for that bolt to order. So make sure you have those so you're not stuck doing your install and you're like, shit, I need to go to the hardware store to get these 2 bolts. You can order them online or whatever you're gonna do. But like I said, if you already have a set of crash bars installed, you don't need to worry about this because you've already got the bolt on there that you need. But the STs, they don't come stock with crash bars for the bags. So you're gonna need to buy 2 bolts. All right, here's a little sneak peek of how it should look when we're finished. All right, guys, so the easiest way to cut into this, you can use one of those tube cutters off Amazon or whatever, the little Craftsman ones, one of these. But it doesn't work very well. It takes forever, especially if you get a crappy one. I got this Craftsman one, and it still didn't cut. So just use your cutting wheel. It's going to be a lot faster, more effortless to do. And then just take something to protect your paint, put it up here, And I cut it right at the bend, you know, where it comes down right here. So where the bend starts to straighten out, that's where I'm gonna make my cut, is like an inch past where it straightens out. That's done. We'll take our new one here, and this is just going to slide literally over the top of the bag bracket, the bag guard bracket on the bottom. Just slides right into it. You know, line your holes up. Once you got that re-secured with your 2 bolts, just going to take our washers that it comes with. It comes with 4 different colors. Red, gold, silver, and blue or purple. I'm not sure exactly which it is, but then you just take your sliders, and those are going to screw right in. Put your washer in between the slider and the bar. Just start those by hand. One for the top, one for the bottom. All right, that's it. All right, so as you can see, I test everything that gets put on this bike. That way I can 100% vouch if something is effective or not, or if it sucks. And like I said, brand name or non-brand name still serves the same purpose. The welds are holding just fine. The bike's been laying like this for the last 5+ minutes. It's holding just fine. Crash bars are doing exactly what they were designed to do, and that is to hold the bike. Whether you have a fancy brand logo on these or not, they're serving the same purpose. So it's really up to you. If you want them, if you want a brand name set, drop $1,000 for the front and backs, or $500 or less for the front and backs to essentially do the exact same thing. So that's the install, guys. Appreciate you sticking around, checking it out. Again, if you want to watch part 1, click up here on the top right, and you can see the front Flatout bar install on video number 1. They're literally there for one purpose, and that's to protect your painted parts of your bike and your legs if you were to go down at a lower speed or something like that. So, and I'll show you the clearance, that nothing is touching, and that they're doing exactly as they were designed to do. As you can see, bags are not hitting the ground. And it is all the way on its side. But it's doing exactly as it was designed to do. And that's hold the weight of the bike at the supports, at these flanges. Nothing's bent, nothing's broken. The welds are holding just fine. Here's our rear crash bar doing its thing. Plenty of clearance still. Nothing is touching the ground except for our floorboards. And then the front crash bar. Fairing not touching. Plenty of room. Good job, non-name crash bars, for doing what you were designed to do. All right, oops, almost dropped you. Bike's back up. You can tell because I'm out of breath. Bars are not bent. No scuffs. Everything is still perfect. So they did what they were supposed to do. And in the event you're on the road, I'll tell you what, this is the best $400 or less you'll invest in your bike to save your expensive painted bags, possibly your fairing, and God knows what else, your crankcase, your derby covers. They literally will pay for themselves. By God forbid you drop your bike, they will literally pay for themselves on that first time. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna install this other SBC brace to get the reservoir relocated, get the old brackets pulled off. So yeah, that's it. That's gonna do it. As always, guys, I appreciate the hell out of you. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe and follow button. Hit that bell. I sure would appreciate it. That way you get notified every time. I'm still out of breath from lifting that damn thing. That way you get notified when a new video goes up. So yeah, if you want to check out these bag guards, or I should say those bag guards, the engine crash guard, Flatout bar, hit the description. Links will be in there. Adios, guys. Much love from Utah. Peace out. Bye.